Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to discuss essay writing. I'll discuss what is an essay writing, parts and structure of an essay, techniques to write an essay, outline, how to make an outline for your essay, brainstorming technique, how to write the introduction and how to write conclusion. So let's begin the video by introduction of the essay. The literal meaning of the word essay is an attempt. You make an attempt, an endeavor, an effort, and give a try. That is what literally mean by the word essay. And the length of an essay ranges from 250 to 500 in short essay and to 2500 to 3000 in longer essays, such as you write longer essay in the competitive exam, in the CSS exam in Pakistan. And the longer essay has the same parts as in shorter essay, but it is the extended version and it has more details, and the basic structure is same. And every essay must have these three parts: the introduction, the main body, and the conclusion. In the introduction, you introduce the topic, make an inquiry. In the body, you discuss the topic in detail, thoroughly, giving explanations, and in conclusion, you wind up your discussion. So what in essay is an organized piece of writing. You organize your thoughts, your ideas in a logical manner. The skill of essay writing is technical and it is tough to master, and it requires your good grasp on language, planning, your symmetry, your oneness of ideas, the unity of your ideas, and cohesion and coherence, the linking of ideas which can be achieved through this cohesion and coherence, and attention capturing style of the writing. An essay is about planning and organizing, draw an outline to work for the formal structure. Yes, for the NSA you have to make an outline. I'll discuss outline in detail. So some key points or some tips for the writing essay. First rule of essay writing is do not copy. Do not copy the ideas of others. In academics, it is considered a plagiarism. Plagiarism is an academic offense, an academic crime, you may say. It is considered a crime stealing the ideas of other. And what you do, you do not need to copy the ideas of other. Rather, you give your own genuine ideas, your original work in your thoughts, your own feelings, your own wording in your essay. And do not cram. Just be natural and express whatever comes to your mind. And your style shall be achieve uniqueness. You must have your own unique style, and the style varies in your writing, the formation of the sentences and the word order, word choices, choice of vocabulary, arrangement of words, word order, placement, and voicing, and whatever type of text you write, your aim must be to explain the ideas in a clear manner so that it becomes easier for the examiner, the reader, to understand your essay. And your purpose should be make it easy to understand, not make it difficult. Through do not use fashion words or such type of language. Be simple in your expression. Word choice should be formal, as it is essay is a academic piece of writing, so the word choice must be formal. Slang must be avoided in your essay. Slang is something that is informal, and that the word that you use among your friends. And shorter forms and abbreviation, contractions and abbreviations must be avoided. And sentence structure writing long sentences, and for clarity using conjunction, pronouns, etc. To build coherence. And essay writing is must be detached, impersonal, and neutral. Yes, these are the academic writing. In academic writing is a, you may say, a distinct type of writing. There is something that is very formal and it has got its own idea. I make a separate video on academic writing as well. There are certain criteria, style, characteristics of academic writing, and academic writing is very important in your academics. It is a subject that you study in your BS English as well. And apart from these uses of essay, where essay is used, it is used for the purpose of exam, in university, at school, or any examination, to appear in a competitive exam, as I already discussed, such as CSS in our country and other competitive exams. It varies from country to country. UPSC in India. And yes, the essay writing is very important to write good and to write good articles in future. Yes, if you are good at essay writing, you may start your own blog and write articles in it. And it is also you will be able to write your thesis in future. Yes, thesis, which is a very lengthy piece of writing, ranges from 40,000 to 75,000 even. So that need your writing skill. And now come to the outline of an essay. Outline, you may say, is the backbone of your essay. It is very important. It is the plan for your essay, the summary of your essay, you can say. So it is very important, crucial, vital to form an outline before beginning your essay. So yes, there are some brainstorming techniques that you gather your ideas in different ways, idea clustering, and many more. So after brainstorming, you just gather your ideas in a scattered way, but in outline you organize them. So after the brainstorming, you have to organize those ideas in the outline. And we'll discuss horizontal outline. Horizontal outline is the outline that is used in academics. It is the formal outline. And horizontal outline, you divide the topic into headings, subheadings that distinguish the main points from the supporting points. And yes, this is the structure of an horizontal outline. There is a topic that the impacts of tourism. So he discussed the some three major areas: social impacts. So in outline, you give headings and subheadings, use numbers and bullet points. So main heading is the social impacts. Under that, he'll discuss the subheadings such as increase in variety of jobs, price inflation, new ranges of business opportunities. And second one is the cultural impacts, and new such as new patterns of dress and market for traditional crafts. And under environmental impacts, he'll discuss increased pressure on limited resources and loss of natural habitat for building projects. And third point is the provision of new infrastructure. So this is an example of horizontal outline. And now I'm going to discuss the do's and don'ts of outline, what to avoid and what must be avoided in your outline. So here are some guidelines for effective outline. So your outline must be relevant. There must be relevancy between your outline and your essay. What you discuss in essay must be in your outline as well. So outline must also follow the sequence in your essay. It's not like that you jumble up the ideas. No, it's not like that. You have to arrange the ideas in sequence same as you did in your outline, and follow this sequence in your essay as well. And do not give details in your essay, just give highlight some major points. Only headings and subheadings must be used in outline. and do not write the whole sentences. Just write few words and try to write in phrases. And now what should be avoided in your outline? Do not write single word headings and subheadings. You may write 2 to 3 words, and do not give examples in the outline, or unnecessary details must be avoided. Do not make long outline. Your outline must be precise, brief, concise, to the point, and relevant. So these are the some do's and don'ts of outline. Now come to the introduction. Introduction, very important part of your essay. It will decide that the audience, the reader, is going to read your essay or not. So what you do in your introduction, the basic purpose must be to grab the reader's attention. So in a hook sentence, you called it a hook sentence, where you grab the reader's attention. You may use techniques such as a quotation, anecdote, short story, or any type of the thing that grabbed your reader attention. And 2 to 3 sentences, then yes, define it, introduce, define your topic. And after that, what you do, the very important part of introduction is your thesis statement. I make a detailed video on thesis statement. You may try it by clicking the video above in the I button. Yes, in the thesis statement, what you do, you take a stance about the topic, and in the main body you defend your stance by giving spotting and arguments. And thesis, yes, it must be included in the end of your introduction. Thesis statement, which is the whole crux of the essay. And then comes the okay, let's move towards next part. An introduction shall cover all aspects of your essay very briefly. It is like a miniature of your entire essay. A miniature version is something, the smaller version of the bigger part that include all the essential points in it is called miniature. And you may sometimes begin with the adage, proverb. Yes, as I already said, these are the hook statements. Now come to the main body of your essay, and you, in the main body, you write about the essay in detail. You thoroughly discuss the and explain your ideas, expand your and defend your thesis statement that you already stated in your introduction. Expand your argument or point of view, and give from one para to the next, explaining its various aspects of the topic, giving evidence, supporting details, and arguments from all sides. Use reasons for and reasons against, and do not leave an unaesthetic, illogical remark. Be exact, irrefutable, and correct. And then give allusion, reference to the books, journal, study, research, institution, etc., and that make your words undeniable and strong. And give your ideas with proof, evidence, reasons in a logical and orderly manner. Be relevant and do not get sidetracked with irrelevant or redundant details. Be precise and laconic in your expression, and use simple language. Avoid fashion words, or do not try to express your language skills or proficiencies. Just make it simple so that the reader understand. And yes, be polite, and establish and calmness, and be confident what you say about. You may able to defend it what you say. And then move on to the conclusion, which is the last part of an essay. So in the conclusion, do not add new information, new idea, or introduce any new discussion. But just review all the things that you have discussed in the above part of your essay. And quotation, yes, is often a good thing to be discussed in your conclusion, but you may have five of them in your mind and choose only one which gives meaning and want to give carries the proper effect. And try to relate closing lines to the opening lines and reaffirm your thesis once again, ensuring that you have proven your point. So this is the conclusion. Yes, in conclusion you may also give your suggestion and recommendations as well, and you conclude your whole topic in the conclusion. Now some common types of essays are argumentative or persuasive essay, which aims to persuade someone. You use compel someone to agree with you or persuade on your opinion. That is the persuasive essay. Comparison and contrast essay basically deals with the similarities and differences. Comparison, you discuss the similar aspect, and contrast, you discuss the opposite things, the differences. And the use of language, choice of words must be according to your essay type. And reflective essay, historical essay, narrative essay. Yes, in narrative essay you narrate a story, an incident. And descriptive essay, you describe a place, person, or a thing, give detailed description. Autobiographical essays, then expository essays, and many more essays, personal essays are there. And these are some common types of essay. So that's all. Hope you understand. Thank you very much.